everyone! Today I'm making a super easy and delicious post-workout treat with pancake with protein, and trust me, it's so tasty.
First, I'm mixing some soft cottage cheese, chia seeds, and a little bit of syrup. This will be our creamy filling.
Now let's make the base.
I'm whisking together eggs, rice flour, and some protein powder. This is going to be our protein-packed biscuit. As a fitness trainer, I'm always asked about what to eat after a workout. The truth is, your body craves good nutrition to help repair and build muscle after exercise. That's why this dish is perfect. It's loaded with protein to help you recover and stay strong. Plus, it's so easy to make that you can whip it up even when you're short on time. Just pour the mix into a hot pan, cook it for a minute on each side, and you've got yourself a perfect base. I remember when I first started training, I would always feel so drained after my sessions, and I didn't know what to eat to get my energy back. Over the years, I've experimented with so many recipes, and this one has become one of my go-tos. It's not just about fueling up. It's about treating your body with the respect it deserves. Spread that creamy filling over the biscuit, top it with some fresh berries, and you're done. What I love most about this recipe is that it's versatile. You can switch up the toppings, try different flavors of protein powder, and even add in some nuts or seeds for extra crunch. It's a reminder that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. It can be fun and delicious.
As a fitness trainer, I always look for meals that are both nutrition and tasty. This is not just healthy, it's delicious. Give a try and let me know what you think. Mwah!